Today's topic I'm going to teach you is about circling duplicate values in Excel. So let us see how we can do it. This is my sample data. I've given you some numbers over here. I've entered some numbers from A6 till A19. So basically I would like to circle all the duplicate values. For that users have to select this data first. That is from A6 till A19. This is my data. Click on this option of yours called as data and click on this icon data validation, and then there we have to use a formula over here. We'll come over here. There's an option called as custom. In this formula option, you just type here equal to countif. This is the formula we have to use for duplicate values. Countif bracket open. Select this range, that is from A6 to A19. Lock it by pressing this button of yours called as F4. After you press that button called as F4 for your A6 till A19, comma, which is your first cell, 90, that is A6. So if this is more than duplicate, if this is having one more number, then it will give you that circle. So I've closed the bracket over here and then less than 2. Why less than 2? Because if this one more number is there, then it will give that in duplicate. For example, if you see here, I've got two numbers which represent which is having duplicate. So this 2 will get circled. So once you've done that, you say OK. After that, again you have to click on this option of yours called as data. Click on this icon again here. Arrows, data validation. And there's an option of yours called as circle invalid data. So if I click over here, you can see that where duplicate is there, it is coming in circle. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.